Hi.
Alright, so as requested, a bunch of people have wanted an update on this Durango, my wife's Durango 2019 RT. Recently have put on a set of 22 by 10.5 inch wheels with a 35 off. And it does have 285 40s all the way around of the vehicle. This is already warmed up. Startup. Super nice. So the setup is stock headers, factory catalytic converters. After the header, the suitcase muffler and the rear resonator, rear mufflers, whatever you want to call them, have all been deleted. The center where the muffler, the suitcase muffler is a X pipe. Other than that, it is stock. No intake, no tune, dang boogies. So let's shed some more insight on the wheels and tires, since I didn't really go over them very well earlier. These are used wheels that I purchased, so yes, you will see some curb rash on all four of them, but they are Niche M221, I believe. I'll have to double check, but I'm pretty certain they're Niche M221s. 22 by 10.5 with a plus 35 offset all the way around. Does have 285 40, 22 inch Lexani tires. Yes, the tire is a little thick. I like that because it does close the wheel gap, but on the downside it does rub in the rears. So it actually does touch. You can see that curb rash right there. Boy, my wife does not like that. Since this is her vehicle, you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna get them fixed if I keep them. There's a company locally to me that fixes that, so we'll see. But it does rub right here on heavy bumps. When I mean heavy, I mean pretty aggressive bumps, especially when you have everything loaded down inside and you have your kids, stroller, everything there. But overall, it does ride really, really well. When I do sell these, I will go for a set of Velgen or Belgian, however you pronounce them, not entirely sure. Classic 5s. I would love to have the original version 1s, but they don't make those anymore. Version 2s are a little bit too thin of a spoke in my opinion. But it is what it is. And again, this vehicle is it is lowered on Eibach Springs, the Prokit. The rear shocks have been removed, the load leveling shocks. They do have Bilstein 4600s in the rear. I don't remember the part numbers off the top of my head, but see if I can find them. But that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and do a somewhat cold start. It's been sitting here for a few hours, so let's see how it sounds. Try to get you guys a sound clip from inside of revving. So this is at operating temperature. Got 42,000 miles on it. See how it sounds. it.